Quick question, how many times a week do you use vegetable oil or eat fried food? Probably. Every day, right? But here's the real question. Have you ever stopped to ask, is vegetable oil actually safe? Let's go back to the beginning. Oils like canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower weren't originally made for eating. No joke. They were once used as industrial lubricants. Sounds crazy? It gets worse. So why are they in our kitchens now? Marketing. In the 1950s, there was a massive push claiming animal fats were the enemy, linked to cholesterol and heart attacks. That's when vegetable oils stepped in wearing a healthy disguise. But here's the kicker. Vegetable oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. In small amounts, they're fine. But in the doses we're consuming today, they fuel inflammation, chronic, body-wide inflammation. And that's the root of so many modern diseases: heart issues, diabetes, even cancer. Want to hear something nastier? These oils are processed using high heat, chemical solvents like hexane, and are deodorized to mask the rancid smell. Yeah, that clear oil in your pan? It's been through some scary stuff. And the danger doesn't stop there. These oils oxidize super fast. Once oxidized, whether from cooking or just sitting on the shelf, they create free radicals. These little monsters damage your cells, accelerate aging, and wreck your immune system. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a high intake of vegetable oils is linked to increased risk of heart disease. Not surprising, right? Because your body doesn't know what to do with these damaged fats. Now don't panic, there are better options. Use virgin coconut oil for frying, extra virgin olive oil for sautéing or salads, or ghee if you're into buttery goodness. These are stable, nourishing fats your body actually knows how to use. Here's the bottom line. Vegetable oil might look harmless, but it's a slow-acting health bomb. Don't wait until it's too late to change your habits. Rethink your oil, start in your kitchen, and remember, like, subscribe, and share for more eye-opening health tips.